If you could see me now, I'd ask you, please, would you mind helping with my keys? If it's alright, could you spare some change?
Have you ever asked for something and felt like you might have sounded too direct? English speakers often use conditionals to make requests sound more polite and indirect. Instead of saying, "Give me a discount," which sounds demanding, you could say, "If you could give me a discount, I'd really appreciate it." See the difference? In this video, I'll show you how to use conditionals to make your request sound more natural, polite, and professional. First, let's look at the first conditional. We use it when there's a real possibility that something will happen. Bring your receipt and we will refund you. If you bring your receipt, we will refund you. This is often used in customer service when giving instructions politely. You're still giving the same information, but it sounds more helpful and professional. The second conditional is perfect for making polite requests because it makes your request sound hypothetical, not like a demand. Send me the details. If you could send me the details, I'd be grateful. If you were able to help, it would mean a lot. These phrases sound softer and more respectful, making them great for emails, work situations, or customer service. Sometimes we want to refer to past situations politely, especially when expressing regret or explaining something. You should have told me earlier. If you had told me earlier, I would have helped. You didn't book in advance, so we have no rooms left. If you had booked in advance, we would have had a room for you. This structure helps us sound professional and considerate rather than blaming someone for a past mistake. Here are 2 extra phrases that work well with conditionals for polite requests. Would you mind if I borrowed this? Would you mind helping me with this? I was wondering if you could send me the invoice. I was wondering if you might be available for a quick call. Both of these sound very polite and work well in emails and conversations. To sum up, using conditionals can help you make requests sound more polite, friendly, and professional. The first conditional is good for polite instructions. The second conditional is best for everyday polite requests. The third conditional helps when talking about past situations politely. Try using these in your conversations and you'll sound much more natural in English, Let me know in the comments, do you already use conditionals for polite requests? Or is this something new for you?
If it's not too much, could you lend a hand? Help me up, please understand.